Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavinsky Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto blockchain technology. Happy Wednesday, everybody. I hope everybody is having a great week. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community. Developing on Cardano just got more accessible. As always, though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, introducing Project Acropolis, reimagining Cardano's node architecture for better developer accessibility, breaking down the walls, how Cardano is becoming developer friendly. In the past, there's been criticism that the barrier to entry to build on Cardano is pretty high. Before, you had to know Haskell, you had to be a more experienced developer, but now that's not the case. Cardano just got more accessible. The core goal is to reimagine the Cardano node as a living ecosystem where developers can build applications from within, not just interface from outside. Now, more languages are available. Instead of learning specialized protocols, developers can build with familiar tools. TypeScript, Rust, Go, or standard HTTP requests. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Infrastructure is reusable. The modular approach means you only run the components you need for your specific use case. Developers can write custom modules that plug directly into the node's data streams, turning application logic into reusable infrastructure for the entire community. You build it once, and it's built for everyone. Projects like Partner Chains, BlackFrost.io, and SundaySwap are already planning to use this architecture to reduce costs and improve performance. This calls for faster, leaner infrastructure. And personally, I'm a huge fan of that. I think everything should be energy efficient, everything should be data efficient, and the more people we onboard to this, the better. Paul Clark, a lead architect at Input Output, explained the reasoning of the node infrastructure. He stated, "We talk about the node's ecosystem, all the applications and interfaces around it, like Cardano DB Sync, Ogmios, and Blockfrost. In my analogy, you've got the citadel in the middle and buildings around it. But my vision is that the node becomes sufficiently porous so you can build applications directly into the node, not just next to it, but actually part of it." So hopefully this new architecture makes Cardano more accessible. Hopefully more builders will actually build on Cardano, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts. If you're a developer, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is good for Cardano, or do you think we should stick to Haskell? Let me hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!